Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I know these are not equal, but that is what this video is going to be all about. I have done a video on eyebrow tutorial, but that was a very thick, dark, hairy Instagram kind of eyebrow. But today we're gonna do a very natural eyebrow, which is also very simple to do. But with this eyebrow, you'll not get a perfect shaped, thick Instagram kind of eyebrow, but a normal volume and a little shape to your eyebrow. So basically this is the reality and this is what we want. So we'll take the smallest, tiniest brush we have and any eyebrow product that you use, and instead of coloring the brows like we usually do, we will make small light strokes and we will go with the natural shape of the eyebrow and will not try to change it at all. To give a little shape to the eyebrow, we will apply the tiniest amount of concealer just in the middle. Oh, and the concealer also works as a highlighter, so if you want a very natural subtle highlighter under your eyebrow, you can always go with the concealer. And to give a little thickness to the hair, we can always apply an eyebrow mascara, but it is optional. And we are done. Guys, this is not a perfect eyebrow tutorial. This is something that you can do on a daily basis or you can do when you're going for a normal outing. So guys, that will be all for today. I really hope you liked this video and I really hope this video was helpful. Please guys, don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Show some love. I need your support. Stay tuned for more makeup videos and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.